Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Lovers in reverse, King of Wands, and Four of Pentacles in reverse. So Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really, skilled, talented, and you have a lot of experience and knowledge in your situation. You have seen a lot. You are a very knowledgeable person, and that may be the reason people come to you for guidance and support, ideas maybe, or some kind of advice. And you are someone really honest, reliable person. You help others and you guide them, you try to protect them, guys. Sagittarius. And today, for some reason, your situation is not what you expected. So in your career, you may see some delays or suspensions, something not happening. Something may not be right. You may see some project delays or something may get suspended, and people working with you in your career situation, they are not dedicated like you, or dedicated and responsible in their work. So the mistakes on their part or someone's mistakes may lead to some kind of a difficult situation in your career, guys, or even in this relationship. Maybe you may see some kind of this person behaving in such a way you may not like it. You never expected this from this person, the way they are behaving. Maybe they have done something wrong and they are trying to hide it, and they are quite guilty for whatever they did, guys. Maybe they are guilty for the mistakes they committed, and they are unable to hide it in front of you, and that is the reason they are behaving. They are angry with you, and they they are unable to hide their guilt. That is the reason for their behavior, and it is worrying you. You want to make things work out between you both, but some mistakes on this person's part, something they would have done unintentionally, but it is affecting the way things are between you both today, guys. Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading. That will give you more clarity, clear your doubts, guys. Sagittarius. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So, something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains, and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with the special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that, and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.